like coins.
Oh my god, you guys got spoiled living in Delheim right above us.
Little one.
I guess I'm on a truck. Get a better view on the truck. Can I sit over here somehow?
Yeah, I was gonna move my phone so you don't sit on it.
Big one. Big one.
That must be crazy.
Why does it look like little coins on my camera? It looks like
Some are
coins.
different, Colby.
Coins?
Yeah, it looks like coins. Look, it looks like coins. Little coins falling to the ground. Gold coins.
Big one. They'll come out and hit the trees and get the trees on fire. Don't watch them and turn off. Oh my goodness. My mom said that was a long time ago. When you were in Turma? Oh! Pity. That was awesome. What's that one to do? Oh! Kitty, I did this. Kitty, I did this. Green and pink. Pink, my favorite color too. Orange and pink. Oh, that one looks like an oval with red spots on it. You see it? You can barely even see it. Oh, that's cool. Billy, have you heard this song before? Little ones.
Or in the center console, I don't know where they're so bad.
Look, you missed a good one.
Yeah, it was like a line and then circle. Watch them, see? It was like a heart around a circle. I mean, a circle around a heart. I'm kind of scared of fireworks. It's okay, they're way far away.
Don't be scared, bud. They're a ways away from you.
Yeah, he's not scared. Come on. It's okay. They're way back there. That would look like, how can I fire by their own?
I don't know.
Huh? How can I fire by their own? No, people are way far away and they have these little punchers and they go like that and it blows them up.
Cobb, if you're going to film it, wait for a little bit, alright?
Why? Why?
Just, this is